I am so freaking stoked to try my first actual invention that you guys have seen. What this is here is probably gonna be kind of hard to tell. There's already coffee in there. What's sitting in there are mini whisk balls. The thing that's exciting about this is they fit in normal water bottles. Mind blown. I can understand why you wouldn't probably want to market these because they're definitely a choking hazard, although I do have a variation for that. The whole point of this is because I kind of expect to consume, or hope to consume, a lot of my calories and nutrients from liquids. This is heavy whipping cream, powdered heavy whipping cream. So this is gonna be my mid-afternoon lunch coffee. I'm just gonna put some of this in here and water and coffee and see if this thing mixes in a reasonable time. I mean, there's not like really much of a science to it. Open it up, and then pour it in the wind and get it all over your pants. There we go. Definitely got it on my pants. I don't know. Let's try a little more. Taster's choice. Put this bad boy in here. Try not to pour this all over myself. Here is afternoon coffee and cream. We'll see if these little balls will do anything. This is gonna be a little bit gnarly, I can tell. Like that, huh? Nice and chunky. You're supposed to let this heavy whipping cream actually sit overnight, so I'm not real surprised that it looks like crap. We'll check in a little bit. I mean, those little shaker balls are definitely in there doing something. This is mixed pretty freaking good for 2 minutes of shaking, not even. Excellent! I would say this is a success. Look for patents and products similar to this coming out soon on No Matter Where, which is not a company yet. It's an idea I have that might be a company. But yeah, there's invention number 1 of No Matter Where that you have seen. No matter where, you can make a difference. Hit that subscribe button for me, would you?